So wait, exit cam. Yes, it cam, yes, sir. Actually having a seat. Okay, that's it.
The PC conscripted me from Sydney.
Excellent.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Open up. Let's get to
No. Let's go.
Might as well have stayed back so that you can come and. No. The way it is. Let's go.
We'll have that one so that we know exactly what one is. Exactly.
Says so. These are hostels. Those are hostels. These are hostels.
These are all hostels.
One academic degree. Oh, this is the football field. Yes. Wow. Each of them 240 websites.
Just the knowledge of
advanced order. Advanced. You might have an idea what they might do. My Zoom is live. I hope it's in So this is supposed to be, this is the assembly. We got a request from the National Security Advisor appealing to the state government to release this facility for the takeoff of the just approved University of Environment and Technology for our people, the Rivers people, more especially the Ogoni people, because it's sited in Kira, the Ogoniland. We had to do the needful by first of all writing to the university, because the property, notwithstanding that is a River State government property, but it belongs to the university now. For the university to update us on the status of the property. They have already given us the written information, but I felt it is proper for us to come and do physical assessment, and that is what we just did. From what you're seeing, it's a well planned out place, and I strongly believe that it is suitable for the take-up of this investment. Let me say it very clearly. This property belongs to the River State University. River State University belongs to River State government, and it is only the River State government that has the right through the university to release it. And we can assure the interested party, more especially the president, who out of his own goodwill has approved this university, and the National Security Advisor who requested that we release, that after this meeting here, we're officially going to transmit a letter of release for the takeoff of the university. We're doing this because at the end of the day, what the university is going to do for us here is three major things. It will bring development, it will increase the status of educational level of the Ogoni people, more especially on this issue of environmental impact. We know we have a lot of problems around this axis of the region on issues of environment and all those things. This university is going to serve as a study ground. And thirdly, it is an honor that it is in our own time that this noble initiative was established. So we're thanking all the parties who initiated it and who made it to come to pass. We are also grateful to the university for still keeping this place, because you can see from our assessment that most of the facilities were just recently renovated. They wanted to use it, but as it stands now, since I have the final power, university will build another one for you there. This one.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. That is the purpose of our meeting here. Thank you.